More than 2 years ago, Team MIMO started working on the concept for the reinforcement of Café Ade.
From those ideas, the team developed a house demonstration unit which will be built and presented to the public on the solar campus in Wuppertal summer 2022.
The building consists of 2 living modules and focuses on various sustainability approaches such as functional architecture, the usage of renewable and energy-efficient resources, as well as self-sufficiency and communal aspects.
The house demonstration unit measures a size of 10 over 10 meters and 7 meters height.
The entire building is covered by a climate shell. The climate shell consists of movable lamellas and roof windows with integrated solar panels that adjust depending on the sun's solar radiation, the lack or need of fresh air, as well as for cooling and isolation purposes.
There are 3 solid wooden modules inside the 2-story building. The ground floor consists of 1 living module and a technical module, which is equipped with all technical appliances needed to supply the house with energy.
A solid wooden staircase leads to the upper floor, where the second living module and a communal roof terrace can be found.
To make sure that the living modules can be used flexibly, multifunctional furniture walls with hinged pieces of furniture are included.
By stacking the living modules on top of each other, they create an open and communal space for the housing community, which includes a kitchen as well. The outside area offers seating possibilities, a rainwater collection tank, and a shed for a cargo bike.
Additionally, plants can be cultivated in a few raised beds, and there is space for a wildflower meadow.
In order to create a circular energy system inside our HDU, we have developed our own innovative energy concept called Energy Bus System.
The main purpose of the Energy Bus System is to save energy. Therefore, we are using a multifunctional heat pump system where the domestic appliances are thermally interconnected with the heating system of our building. The interface of our energy bus system is a storage system where we have a cold storage and a heat storage, and the domestic appliances are interconnected to this storage system. So that means that the domestic appliances can access the thermal energy from our energy bus system whenever it is needed.
The components and the material concepts of the HDU, plus the developed connecting elements, are based on the approach of being as simple and sustainable as possible.
The wall and the ceiling elements of the living modules are made from Holzhaus wood. The advantage of the material is that we use a monomaterial plug-in system, so we don't have to use any other glue in order to connect the elements. Another advantage of the material is the thickness, and because of that we don't have to use any other chemicals to ensure the fire protection.
Our project uses direct daylight to light up most of the common areas. We use structural glazing and skylights to benefit from the sunlight. Therefore, all of our openable facade elements are facing towards the sun path. In terms of artificial lighting, our project will contribute high levels of luminance through luminaires within a closed light control system. It is able to dim all the light sources. That provides multiple lighting scenarios and saves a lot of energy because the light sources adapt to the needed illuminance of the user.
In our house demonstration unit, we have to be very thoughtful about our usage of space. That's why we have to come up with innovative solutions like multifunctional furniture.
Every piece of furniture had to be specifically designed for the HDU because we did not want to use any material that could possibly harm the environment. That's why we decided to use the construction of plug-in connections and not glue it together.
The building, planned by Team MIMO, is based on the guiding principle minimal impact, maximum output.
Therefore, it highly values a sustainable material concept, the usage of minimal technologies, and a passive energy consumption due to the climate shell.
The prefabrication and modularization of the construction units also help to reduce building time.
Thereby, the goal of minimal intervention but maximum benefit for the community can be achieved.
See you on the Solar Campus 2022.